Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you doing? I hope you're doing great. So for today's video, I'm going to be unboxing, what month are we in? June's Eyescream Beuty Box, and I'm super excited to see what's inside. So if that interests you, then keep on watching. I got it right here. So in case you didn't know, Eyescream Beuty Box is a monthly subscription. It brings 5 items, makeup items inside, sometimes skincare, but mostly makeup related, and it guarantees an eyeshadow palette each month. So that's always good. It retails for $25 a month. I don't know if I told you. So let's see what I got this month. So here's the card with all the information. I'm gonna read that in a second. Okay, let me open this one, which is by ZZ. SPF 50 primer. It's an SPF. It's a cute packaging. Let me tell you a little bit more about this. So this is the SPF 50 moisturizing primer by ZZ Cosmetics, collaboration with the British Museum. This retails for $29. It's this product that combines the benefits of sun protection with the perfect base for makeup application. This lightweight and non-greasy formula offers high broad spectrum protection against both UVA and UVB rays, helping to prevent sunburn and skin damage. It can be used on its own or under makeup. It is hydrating and will not clog your pores. Sounds great. I already have my base on, so I won't be able to try this out today on camera with you, but I'm gonna try it. It sounds really good. Okay, this, I don't know why it reminds me like a deodorant, like a component of a deodorant. It's very pretty. This brings 40 grams. Oh, it's a twist. And it's a squeezy tube. Okay, so I'm super excited to try this out. Okay, the next thing I see here is by Delancey. And I've tried a couple of their products and I do like it. I'm actually wearing a liquid blush from them and I love it. So this is the holographic highlighter. Great, because I didn't put any highlighter on today, just in case. They have this one, number 5. Okay, so a little information about this. This is the holographic duochrome highlighter by Delancey. It retails for $20. This is a shifty highlighter that is meant to add an ethereal glow to your complexion. While these may seem a bit intimidating at first, it's important to note that the duochrome effect only reveals itself under certain lighting conditions. The color is almost invisible at first, only to reveal a hidden pop of color. This can also be used as eyeshadow or to highlight the inner corner and brow bone. Sounds great. Let's see. The word intimidating intimidates me. Because if you know me, you know that I don't really use like blinding highlighters. I like more subtle highlighters. So I'm like, well, let's see. If not, I could use it as eyeshadow. Oh, okay. I don't know if you'll be able to tell. Turn down the lights to see if you could actually see the little sparkles it has. Do you see the little sparkles? Oh, there you can see it. Look at that. That looks very pretty. So this is called Diamond, I guess. Let me go ahead. It feels great. Let me do a little swatch right here. Okay, there you go. Oh yeah, it's like a lilac color as well. I think I'm gonna like this because it's lilac and I love cool tones. We'll be trying that out later on, so stay tuned for that. Then I see here a lip liner. This is a gel liner. Okay, it's a gel liner. This is in forest green, and I guess this is by Appeal. Look at the color over here. Okay, this is the gel liner by Appeal Cosmetics. It retails for $21. What? It says this gel liner is safe to be used as an eyeliner or a lip liner. Oh, a green lip liner. I don't have that. Completely out of my comfort zone. It says the shades that we choose are meant to complete the eye look, but can be used as either. This can be sharpened with any makeup sharpener. Great, I love those. So let me open this conceal here to show you the color. Okay, this is the color. Oh wow, it's very soft. Ooh, I love that color. Definitely as an eyeliner, I know I'm gonna get a lot of use of this because I love green eyeliners. Okay, this next thing here is by Gerald Cosmetics. And this is the Honeymoon Hydra Matte Liquid Lipstick by Gerald Cosmetics. It retails for $20. Fall in love all over again with this liquid lipstick in the shade Honeymoon. It's a dusty rose shade that captures the bliss and beauty of eternal romance on your lips. This formula transforms from liquid to a flawless matte. Say hello to endless kisses and goodbye to constant mirror checks. That's funny. So let's see the color. I believe I saw this online that it was like a hot pink, I think. I love the packaging. Look how pretty. Oh, actually it's not. It's a very nice pink. I thought it was gonna be more like vibrant. It is, but not too much like a neon or anything crazy like that. This is pretty. I want to try this as well. So last but not least, the palette. And I just think it's so freaking cute. It's so cute. Look at that. I love dragons. Every time I see a dragon somewhere, I'm like, ooh, a dragon. This is the Plumeria Dragon. This is an eyeshadow and pressed pigment palette by Sugar Drizzle. So this retails for $40. And it says, for the first time ever, we are introducing Sugar Drizzle Cosmetics to our boxes. This 12-pan palette is a fun and vibrant collection of perfect for creating both soft and bold looks. It contains 5 smooth and blendable mattes. It also has 5 luminous and sparkly shimmer shades, and there are 2 stunning duochrome shades. See, let's open it up and see the colors. It's the same design. All the ingredients are in the back. Oh, this is very pretty. This is actually very pretty. For some reason online it looked like it was going to be very vibrant. All of them, like they all look like this color. I was like, how am I going to get any depth? But no, actually this one's way darker. It's more like a wine color. This is more dusty, mauvey. Up here, I love shades like that. I think I'm gonna like this. This looks very beautiful. I'm debating which shimmer I want. Because I still don't know what color I want to do. Okay, I think I have an idea of what I want to do and the colors that I want to use. I'm gonna start with this one and see how deep it is. So this is a brand that I've never tried before, Sugar Drizzle. If you guys have tried it, you gotta let me know if you like it. What do you think of it? What palette do you own? Because I don't think I've ever heard of it. I'm not sure. There's so many brands out there, I just don't know. It's hard to keep track of all the new brands. This is a great transition color actually. I'm liking it. I thought it was going to be much lighter, but it's not. As actually, you can see the color. Okay, so now I'm just going to deepen what I just did with this color up here, because I know I like that one. I'm using the same brush. Oh yeah, I like it. That is pretty. This is a perfect shade to lighten and blend out any other of the vibrant pinks in here. This is great for that. Or to do a more subtle look. Okay, now I'm going to deepen the outer corner with this shade over here. It's called Slay. I'm just going to put that right over here. I'm going to leave space over here to add at least 2 of the shimmers, to try 2 of them. These are pigmented. I like this, but they're blending quite easily, so that's a good sign. That's very pretty. I'm gonna add my trusty NYX glitter primer. I'm gonna place it right here so I get adhere the shimmers. And I just take a little bit on my finger and kind of just put it on both. I'm gonna go in first with that blue green. This is a dual chrome. I don't know if you could tell here. Hopefully you can tell on the eyes better. I'm gonna place that right here in the center. I want to see the shift to this. Okay, I see. It's purple and green. Purple and green. Now I'm taking the shade next to it. It's very sparkly. Let me go ahead and turn down the lights for you to see if you can see it better. So I thought I was recording, but I wasn't. The lower lash line. The lower lash line, I'm going to be using this one, which is a Dusty Rose. And it's actually my favorite so far from the palette. And so far these are blending well together. I have no problems with patchiness or anything like that. The shimmers went on the brush pretty well. The brush picks up on them great. And if you want an added pop of shimmer, then place them with a brush, and then at the end use your finger to add a little more pop to it. I'm going to use an angled brush and go in with that dark plum right here and connect it a little bit on the top. I'm going to go ahead and add some mascara, maybe falsies, and I'll be back. First I'm going to try the eyeliner because I love green. I don't think I've ever tried anything from this brand, so I'm gonna try this eyeliner and see if I like it. Gorgeous color, and it's super soft. Okay, here are the eyes all finished. I added that gorgeous green eyeliner, which I love. It's right here. I don't know if you could tell. It's beautiful. I added some lashes that I bought recently from Shein. They're this one that flare out at the end. These have become my favorite and super affordable. I want to try the highlighter now. Oh, I just think that purple little shift, it's so pretty. I don't know how much I have to go in with this. Oh, it's there. I see it. I don't know if you can. Look at that. Oh yes, it is intense. It's very pretty though. I love the color, even though I don't go for highlighters like this because of the intensity and they're on the chunky side. I bet this will look so great as an eyeshadow topper as well. It's very beaming. It's crazy pigmented, but I like the color. Okay, now I'm gonna try the lip product. I'm gonna wipe off the lip gloss that I had on. I think I'm gonna line my lips first. I don't know what lip liner I should use. I guess I'll use the Chucky one from Glamlight. It's this one. I haven't used a shade like this in so long. I don't even think I have one this in my collection. Okay, so I put on everything. This is the final look. What do you think? I love everything that I tried so far. Let me talk a little bit about everything. I love the highlighter, even though I don't like intense highlighters. I mean, it's the color that I love. It's like a lilac color. The eyeliner, so far so good. It's not irritating my eyes, and I'm sensitive to eyeliners, so that's a good sign. And I love the color. I'm super eager to try the SPF primer, and if I do try it and my thoughts on it and all that, I will pin a comment and let you know if I like it or not. The liquid lipstick, which is by Gerald Cosmetics, now it has dried down completely. It's tacky. Those tend to always be like that, the matte ones. That's why I don't really use them anymore. They feel kind of dry on your lips. That's normal. It happens with all of them. I still, to this date, I have not tried a liquid matte lipstick that doesn't feel dry on my lips, so that's a given. What I suggest is just using like a little lip balm or a lip oil before you apply it to make it feel a little bit more moisturizing. You can do that and try to see if it doesn't feel so dry on your lips. Right now this is more on the tacky side, which I don't prefer, but it's not that bad. But for people who love matte liquid lipsticks, then they're probably gonna like this one. Now the eyeshadow palette, I had fun doing this look. It has a fun color story, perfect for summer. The pops of pink, and you get some sort of neutral shades as well, like this one. I still want to try that one. That one looks very pretty. I love this one. And this one down here, those are all more on the neutral side, and this shimmer, which is great. I use it in the corners. Gorgeous. The shimmers that I tried worked great. They apply great with the brush, so that's good. I can't wait to try the rest of the shades. I think this is very cute and I love the quality. So that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe on your way out and hit the like button. That helps me out a lot, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.